From ancient times, observers have seen Mars as a red glowing dot in the sky and even named it after the ancient Romans for their god of war. This beautiful red glow made everyone wonder what makes the planet appear red. Scientists found that the reason why our neighboring planet is red is because its soil is literally rusting away. The color of the soil is determined by the elements present in it, and on Mars, the red color comes due to iron. Oh, but you would say that iron is not red. Correct. But when iron comes in contact with moisture, such as water vapor or oxygen, it starts rusting. Similar to the bicycle that you kept outside in rain and forgot. As the iron reacted with water, it got brittle and powdery, right? It all happened due to rusting. Similarly, the iron rocks present on Mars' surface starts reacting with the atmospheric oxygen and rusts over time, forming iron oxide, which is also known as hematite. And that's why, friends, the soil on Mars is red. But where did this iron on Mars come from? So, a long time ago, when our solar system was forming, heavier elements like iron were made too. Due to Mars' small size and weaker gravity, lots of this iron stayed on its top. Also, there were big rocks from space that crashed into Mars and brought more iron with them. All of these things combined is why Mars has more iron on its surface. Additionally, Mars' atmosphere contributes to this red appearance too. Mars' atmosphere is relatively thinner than Earth's. As we all know, Earth's blue sky is due to scattering of light, creating a blue appearance. Whereas on Mars, constant dust storms that last up to weeks lift the rust particles to the atmosphere. And the dust and rust particles together scatters the light towards the red end, giving its sky a red hue. And because of this, when we observe the planet from far away, it appears to be red. But what about its actual surface? Let's check out some pictures taken by the Perseverance rover. Take a good look. What do you notice? I see a tan color. Pretty cool, right? When we sent rovers to take a closer peek at Mars, we found out something interesting. The surface isn't just red. Depending on the minerals around, some parts look more golden, brown, tan, or even a bit greenish. So Mars surely is red when we observe from far away, but it's a whole palette of colors out there on its surface.